My dear learned and esteemed colleague, we are going to be treating chapter 6 now. I want to welcome us back to the tutorial, chapter 6. We're talking about page orientation, talking about change page orientation, that is position of your pages, talk about page margins, talk about to format the page margin, and how to use custom margins. Talking about page size, to change the page size, to use the custom page size. Then, as usual, our challenge. Let's go to our book. Yes, chapter 6, page orientations. As you can see, Microsoft Word offers two distinct different types. That's the landscape and the portrait. When you talk about the landscape, you talk about it in terms of horizontally, while the portrait, you talk about the vertically. How do they look like? You can see a landscape type, and you can see a portrait type. Now, how do you change your page orientation? Page orientation. Page orientation in Microsoft Word is in two terms, that is the landscape and the portrait. How do you change your page orientation? You select page layout tab, you go to orientation command in the page group, then as you can see the page layout tab ribbon, then you go to your orientation, a drop down menu will appear, click either of these two to change your orientation, change the page orientation. You can see here, then the page orientation of the document will change. Let's quickly practicalize this. Yeah, we're back again. We say you click on the page layout, you come to your orientation, you can either choose of these two. So what we are having here is trying to make it small so that we can see what is going to happen. Go to my orientation. This is in portrait. You can see it's portrait. Let me select landscape and see what will happen. Landscape, you can see it has changed. It is much more wider here. But if we check the portrait, you see it's more or less long. That is how to change your page orientation. How about page margin? A margin is a space between the text and the edge of your document. By default, new documents are set to normal, which is what? Normal means what? It means 1 inch space between the text and each edge. That is, it's trying to say from here to here is 1 inch, from here to here is 1 inch. Here is 1 inch, here is 1 inch by default. I'm going to practicalize so many things so that we can see what I'm trying to talk about. Depending on your needs, what allows you to change your document margin? How do you do that? To format page margin, Word has different types. You can select the page layout seal tab and click on the margin, and a drop down will appear. Click redefine margin you want, the type of margin you want. You can see there are different types. Then your margin will change. This is how to go about it. You can see that page layout. You can see margins. Select the margins, the drop down. It shows different types of margins that Word is having. The wider one, the moderate, the office, the font, the narrow. Let's click on narrow and see what happens. We select it, you can see it's saying from here to here is 0.5, from here to here is what is 0.5. So it has changed the margin to what I want now. Let me scroll up for us to see. Yeah, you can see from here to here. This is 0.5 from here to here. This is what is 0.5. So if you want another, you can change to moderate. This is moderate, see what happens. And like that and like that. You can change to many different types. Now, how do you use a custom margin? Now, this is the one you want for yourself, not the one web gives to you. From the page layout tab, click margin, select custom margin from the drop down menu. You're going to see this is it. Click the custom margin. After clicking on the margin, you go down, you see the custom margin. The page setup box will appear. Adjust the value for each margin and click what? OK. Then a preview page is here that will be showing you what you are actually doing. Margin of document will do what? It will change. This is what we are trying to say. You click margin, you click on custom margin. You can see the live preview here. If it is in form of landscape you want, you can see the live with this portrait we are using. You can see the margins. It's saying top is 1, bottom is 1, left is 0.75 inches, right is 0.75 inches. How about this? I want it to be lower. I'll click the lower buttons, and as you can see, it's showing here. I want 0.2. Yes, this is what I want. From here to here, I want it to be 0.2 inches. Once I say OK, so just ignore it. You can see what we are trying to talk about. From here to here is what is 0.2 inches. As you can see, it's saying that from here to here is 0.2, from here to here is 1.0. As well, we've actually inputted. Go to margin, go to custom margin, and see what we have here. That's how to use the margin. Then page size. Your page size by default is 8.5 inches by 11 inches. It depends on your project. You may need to adjust your page size. Now, you know, in Lasso there is a specific page size you must follow. So to get to that, you need to know and understand this page size properly. Now, to change page size, you will need to go to page layout and then click what? This size command. You're going to see it looks like page layout. You can see the size. Click on it. The drop down will appear, and you have predefined page sizes. You can see different page sizes. The page sizes for the document will do what? Will change. If you select any of them, you see that the page layout, you can see the size. You can see the size just beside the page orientation. Page size, you have different types. This is what we'll be using. You have the one for small letter, you have the larger, you have the executive, you have A4. If you select it, it has adjusted it to what? To A4 size. If you want A3 size, it has adjusted it to A3 size. Let's maintain ourselves with A4, see what happens. It has adjusted itself to A4 size. And now, to use custom page size, let's check what we've done so far. We've done the page orientation. There are only two types in Word. You have the landscape, the portrait, and you can change. We've done how to change page orientation. We've done page merge. We've done to format page merge, to use custom page merge, different sizes, A4, P3, and so on and so forth. You change the page size and increase the custom. And now we are treating the custom page size right away. Now, how do you use custom page size? Remember, you must still be at your page layout tab. Click size, then click more paper sizes. Then you can adjust. Click size, more paper sizes. Okay, from there we appear. Adjust the value for the width, the height, and click OK. A dialog box will appear where you can use to adjust and see the paper, because it will show to you that it's custom size. You can adjust the width and the height, and it shows you a live preview of what it is. This is how it will surely change. But alternatively, at the page setup option, you can click on this little arrow, which will take you directly quickly to where you want to go to. And use what you can use that to adjust your work. So let's quickly practicalize it. Go to sizes, and you go to more paper sizes. This is it. You can adjust the width, the height. Let's say we want this to be 8 inches and this to be 10 inches. You can see it's adjusting itself down here. 8 inches by 10. If that is what you want, you click OK, and it adjusted it to what page size margins you've given to it. And now come to the end. Let's work on the challenge. All these challenges, you will just have to be sincere with yourself to do it, because virtually all of them you're going to have a questions in your exam. You change the page orientation, you try to work on the landscape, you try to work on the margin, try to work on the custom margin, change the paper size, and also try customizing your paper size. Bye class. As we come to the end of chapter 6.